600 wireless flash heads, high-speed sync, and up to 500 flashes per charge. This is the Ilux Summit 600 Mark II, dedicated to Canon users. The recycle time at full power is 5 seconds. The special price, £360. Here we have the Ilux Summit 600 Mark III, dedicated not only to Canon users but Nikon as well. The recycle time is in 2.5 seconds at full power, and the price £390, including the VAT. Now that's what I call a good offer. Guys, another advantage of buying the Ilux 600 is that it comes with this snazzy fly case, and is well padded, and it comes with a set of keys to lock it when you go on a trip. Another important feature of the Summit 600 that it has an S-type mount, and it includes this modifier, which is a wide angle and is built in a diffuser. Did you see that? The Ilux 600 Mark II Mark III comes supplied with its own 2.4 GHz transmitter.